Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mewtwo Inu token. Now Mewtwo is a very popular Pokemon character and now it's a token. The Mewtwo Inu token is going to go live for pre-sale on pinksale.finance in about 2 days. We're going to go over the information on the Mewtwo Inu token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Mewtwo Inu token is just about to be listed on PinkSale for pre-sale in about 2 days. Now, this is a whitelist only pre-sale, so we're going to see how we can get on the whitelist here in just 1 second. Ticker symbol is Minu, M-I-N-U. You can find this token in the Launchpad list on PinkSale by searching Minu or Mewtwo and then space Inu. So minimum buy for this pre-sale is going to be 0.1 BNB and max buy is 1 BNB. So this is on the Binance Smart Chain. Now they do have a full audit. So they were audited by CoinSalt Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxed to verify who they are for security reasons. And they have a Telegram on here at Mewtwo Inu Global. And they have a Twitter, Mewtwo_Inu, and their official webpage, mewtwoinu.io. So it says the evolved version, Minu, high reflection power. Mewtwo Inu has been designed to reward diamond holders with a 5% reflection in Minu rewards and a hyper deflationary supply. No team tokens, no private sale. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko Fast Track. AVE trending #1, contract renounced at launch, influencer support, diamond holders to make passive income, 10% buy and sell tax, split up 5% reflections, 5% marketing, 50 plus call channel supporters, and it says this is the Raichu Inu team that did 12 times. So if you're familiar with Raichu Inu and the team, then that's good news, I guess. So they have a 420 quadrillion total supply of this token. Soft cap for this pre-sale is 50 BNB, and like I said, it's a whitelist only pre-sale. So hard cap is 100 BNB. Once it reaches 100 BNB, the pre-sale will be over. Pre-sale starts exactly on June 4th, 15 hours, 30 minutes UTC time, and goes until June 5th, 15 hours UTC time, and then it is done, or when it reaches 100 BNB. Now afterwards, it will go to Pancake Swap. You'll be able to get it over there with BNB. It says liquidity is only locked for 90 days, though, on Pancake Swap, so just be aware of that. You don't want to get rugged after 90 days, so hopefully they extend that lock. Now it says 27.6% of the tokens will be burnt. 47.6% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 23.8% of the tokens go to liquidity. And 0.95% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if we go over to their official webpage, mewtwoinu.io, they do have a document section over there. They have the contract address, chart, buy now button, how to buy, all that type of stuff. So it's designed for diamond-handed holders. It's 5% reflections. It's a hyper-deflationary token. It says, be one of the first traders to catch Mewtwo Inu in your crypto wallets. The first evolved Pokemon of its kind on the Binance Smart Chain with lightning-fast trading capabilities and the ability to handle multiple trades are the best reflections of this Pokemon, making Mewtwo Inu the fastest Binance Smart Chain Pokemon on the market. It says hurry because Mewtwo Inu is only available on PancakeSwap. You should trade with all of them. I guess they're trying to make a catch 'em all Pokemon reference. I don't know. I think that was a fail, but yeah, they tried to say something cool there. Total fail. So their roadmap is on here. Phase 1, it actually doesn't even have phases. It just starts with start of the project and create smart contract. Then will be the social media building, marketing campaign. Then they got the full audit, and then pre-sale on pink sale. So that's kind of where they're at right now. After that will be launch on PancakeSwap, trending on all platforms, every single platform that exists. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko Fast Track, 2,000 holders, banner ads, marketing campaign, 8,000 holders, more marketing campaigns, listing on central exchanges, and then new roadmap update. So it has a how to buy, but it doesn't say about the whitelist. So that's about PancakeSwap. Now it says we've already renounced the ownership, and Minu cannot be controlled by anyone. It has an audit by CoinSalt. It says 100% transparency, marketing wallet, funding wallet, burn times. Everything is transparent and informed to the community. So, since it doesn't say anything about the whitelist, I would assume that they will announce that on their socials. Mewtwo's psychic powers are higher than those of other psychic Pokemon. Mewtwo can fly using his telekinetic features, and it will disperse 5% reflections. Okay, so let's see here. Checking on their Twitter here. It looks like they're listed on some coin listing sites. They have top100token.com, CoinHunt, CoinSniper, CoinScope, Gems Radar, and Gem Finder. So that's cool that they're all on those. So a little bit of marketing there. And yeah, so just pre-sale information. Just trying to see how... Yeah, it doesn't say about... I can't see anywhere that it says anything about whitelist. So I would follow their Twitter, which is at let's see here, Mewtwo_Inu, and maybe shoot him a message too, like how do I get on the whitelist? And then also their Telegram, 4,691 members on there. So a lot of people are probably trying to get on the whitelist if there's that many members on their Telegram. Check that out as well. Mewtwo Inu Global on Telegram. Ask them on there, hey, how do I get on the whitelist? Maybe they'll let you know. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.